Ken BP, 2 points, quick 2 points by Ken BP. Orendain, raising the ball. Orendain. To Fernandez. Response right. White ball. Pitch on the corner. Pitch on the corner. Solano got the rebound and makes the 2. All 2. Rapi, 3 points. Money by Rapi Muntaliga. Orendain, dribbling the ball, takes the shot. Huli by Suge. Ken BP, another 2 points. Fortaleza, Solano takes the shot and makes it. Gonzalez is winning the ball. Gonzalez. What a cut. What a shot. And miss it. Rebound by Palo dribbling the ball in the corner. Suge gets the loose ball. Suge. What a bad shot. Dennis Jimenez. Orendain. To Pizza Azul, to Fortaleza take a shot, and miss it, rebound by Palo, to Dennis can take the ball, Dennis got a rebound, to Ken BP, and miss the shot. Boom! Chakala! Fortaleza got the take back 3. Dennis take a 3. Orendain got pitch the cut. Fortaleza to Solano and miss it. To Suge. Rapi takes a 3. Dennis got an offensive rebound. Blue team is working for their offense. Orendain to Pitch. Looking for a man. Fortaleza takes a shot. And in and out by Fortaleza. Palo, carrying in the middle. Pass to Suge takes a shot. And then Palo makes a follow-up. Palo with a follow-up. Palo make a follow-up. What a follow-up. Fortaleza to Pitch Azul. To Fortaleza takes a 3 and miss it. And he's got a rebound. Rebound by Dennis. What a drive by Dennis. Another rebound by Dennis. What a shot by Dennis. And miss it. Oh! The miscommunication with White. Pasok ka na, Bondok. Ken BP, si Mane. 15-7 is the ball game. Solano, dribbling the ball. Solano, crossover under the feet. Crossover. Oh, ano yun? 5 minutes. So, possession. Jabok. with the best friend, Bondok. Laban ng Japok at Bondok. Palo, palo, wala shot by Palo. Punta sila eh. Bondok takes a 3. Palo net by Palo. Palo, dribbling the ball. Palo, oh! Palo got misstep there. What a fake. Uy, boom shot. And in finally. Japok. Hounded by Mayor. Japok versus Mayor. Castres to Palo. Palo to Castres. Open shot, huh? Peko. To Japok. Dribbling the ball. To Palo to Peko. Peko fakes. Peko. What a shot! Uy! What a shot by Junoy. And he's smiling as he makes the tap. Mayor takes shot. Miss, Palo got the rebound. To Japok and Polo. Japok makes the shot and misses. Rebounded by Play. Ursua. Turnaround shot. No foul, no foul. Japok. It's white ball. Miscommunication by the blue team. Ani. Corner. Bondok. As Huesco take a shot, what a shot. In and out by to Peko to Castres. What a pass! No foul by Junoy. No foul. Oh, there's a push by Bondok. Not counted. Open chip. Open chip foul by Scout. Japok. Peko fakes. Japok. Palo. Peko fakes. It's a foul. Traveling goal by Nelson Perry. Japok dribbling the ball. Japok to Palo to Peko takes a shot and miss it. Bondok takes a 3. What a shot. Good shot by Scott. Japok taking his time. Mane by Japok. Pagod na ako eh. Ani Gay. What a shot by Ani Gay. Foul Andy Gay. 74. 20 fouls by White. Japok dribbling the ball. Japok to Peko. Pass to Palo. What a shot by Palo. Isco. Lays it up. What a shot by Isco. Malong to Peko. Ulitin na lang daw. Oy, ano? White ball na, white ball. White ball. Mistin. Balasa, balasa. Andy Grimpo. Shot by Fortaleza. Mali! Sugi. Santiago Paez. MVP. To Dennis. Dennis. To Rapi. Fakes. Rapi takes the shot. Fortaleza. Fortaleza makes it. 2 in a row by Fortaleza. Sugi. Sugi. To Dennis. Dennis turn around. Dennis takes shot. And makes it. What a move by Dennis. Andy gripping the ball. Andy gripping the ball. Solano makes the shot. And this is rebound by Dennis. Wala pass. MVP. Para yung anong music sa tayon. Ha? Pakiinan. Nagugulan tayo. Oh. Kasi yun. 1 point pa rin. 27-19, 8-point game. Andy look for man. Fortaleza running by again. Solano, may Sugi. Sugi sa po. Sugi, there's a foul. Sugi got a foul. Push foul. 2 shots left. Good foul by Sugi. First shot by Sugi. What a shot by Sugi. 1 point. Second shot by Sugi. Okay. Missed the second shot.
You wanna sit down here?
Oh, what a save! Uy! Masuk kay Dunoy! And smiles. Ipila, Dunoy! Ali with the ball. Ali. Pass to Solano pace. Fortaleza. To Orendain. White ball. Second score pare. Ilan? Fortaleza taking shot. Woo! Nating magnet by Fortaleza. What a pass by MVP. Pull by Red. Dadaka muna pare. Dahil. Score pare. Score. 22-30. Ken MVP got a shot. What a rebound by Dennis. Got a good ball. Pitch to Rapi Puntagian. What an outlet to Fortaleza. Fortaleza miss it. Fortaleza, Sugi takes a shot. What a running shot by Sugi. What a floater. It's a floater. Orendain to Fernandez. Tukitan, shot, and a back. What a shot by Andy Luke. Rapidly with the ball. Rapi to Dennis. Hounded by Fortaleza. Dennis to Sugi to Rapi. Can BP. Junoy to Dennis. What a pass by Junoy to next to Dennis. Andy. Blow naman. Orange Chinese. Oh, wala. In and out. Suge, Yun Uy. Miss the shot. Suge. MVP. Time. Pare. Palo. Castres. Castres to MVP. To Japo. To Palo. Takes the shot. Rebounded by Uy. Oh, what a pass. Kuya is top. Ali Morong makes the 2. It's an 8-point game. Malong to Pego. Oh, kicking ball. Pego to Japo. To Pego takes a shot. And miss it. Miss got the ball. What a miss pass by Scout. I miss you, by Scout. One turnover by Scout. Japo to KPP takes a shot. Scout left to Japo. What a pass by Scout assist. Japo then to Palo to Japo. Pego makes that shot. Oh, wait. White azul, white hair. And one by Glasgow, penalty, bonus shot. Miss by Glasgow. Japo, okay. Japo take shot. Oh, what a shot. Lanyon, red. Two shots. 2 points, pare, score na. Miss it, Pego got the rebound. Japo, taking the ball. Last press to Japo, right for the pass. Ken hitting the corner. Oh, big miss by Ken. It's a 3. In and out. Pego to Japo. To Palo. Oh, what a miss. Pass miscommunication by Ken. Fernandez. To Pitts. Kusuwa, take a 3. Scout takes a 3. Miss it. 33-36. It's a 3-point game. It's a 3-point game. 11 minutes, pare. 11 minutes. 1.5 minutes. Follow. Grab by the ball. That's not this. Pitch. Oh! What a miscommunication. Come on. Ken to Castres. Holding by Pitch. Ken, bring the ball. To Japo takes a 3. Oh! Rebound by Palo. Oh, there's a run on the ball. Pitch got the rebound. To Scout. Out in the corner. Berlanes to Montok. Kusuwa tingnan ni May. Miss the shot. Malong to Ken. To Pego takes a shot. Oh, what a steal by Wow! There's a foul. There's a foul. Foul, Peko. Ilan pa na simpal pa rin? Ilan yung foul? White ball. White din, ha? White na white. White din. Ipan yan, ha? White, white. Okay, switch. Yan po. Tuloy, tusog, pace. And one. And one by Suge. Foul 74. And one. Suge. Three-point play by Suge. Fortaleza. Fortaleza to Valentine. Suge to Palo. Palo to Suge. Palo. Face. What a shot by Palo. Power play by Palo. Brought to you by Palo, the power play. Andy located dribbling the ball. Andy. Oh, what a back. Palo. Outside. Good call, right? Outside. It's white ball. Score by 41-6, 5-point game. Orendain to Fernandez to Solano takes shot, miss it. Rebounded by Dennis. Solano Catatusco and takes shot. Inbound. Dennis to Malone. Japo to Palo looking for color, looking for man. Palo right. It's white ball. Rep. Yeah. Andy to Fernandez. Osa. Solano pace. Solano. Wala na assist. To Japo. Dennis takes a layup. Takes a shot. Another rebound by Dennis. Missed the shot. Takes the shot. Missed the shot. What's the left? It's white ball. Orendain. To Andy, dribbling ball. Andy. To Orendain. Takes a shot. Air ball. Palo to Japo. Suge. Miss the shot. Suge. Palo. Lose the ball. Wow. Tuloy intercept. Palo. Right on the corner. Japo. Stop by Fortaleza. Oh, in and out by Japo. At last. Fortaleza. Fortaleza Solano. Turn around shot. Follow! Got the rebound. And one rep. And one rep. And one. First foul. Second team foul. Blue ball pare, blue ball. Ayan, walang saklayan, walang saklay. Blue ball. Okay, tignan nyo, ililipat namin ha. Blue ball. Oh, ayan, ilipat na. Peko, Dennis. Peko, takes a shot. Rebound by Pick. Blue ball. Ken, dribbling the ball. Rapi, Junoy! Uy, Pego. Rapi, take the shot. Sina, Alemolo. One shot by Isco. Michael Jordan move by Isco. Junoy, there's a foul. Oh, two shots. White by Junoy. Jun. Rebounded by Fernandez. Pass Ken to Rapi. Ken. Blue ball. Called by a referee. Blue ball. Second win. May Pego. Kuya, stop it. Parang po kayo. Stop. Stop, pare, stop. 46-40. 46-40. It's a 6-point game. Ken. To Dennis. To Junoy. Wala. rebound. Ursua fakes. And in and out by Ursua. Fernandez. And one run. And one by Fernandez. Bundalian foul. Three-game foul. Three-game foul by Blue. Oh, sorry. KNPP Galalus po. KNPP Bono. Tumesto! Isto Malay, apa isto? Push for red. Blue ball. KNPP to Rafi face. To Dennis. Right. And the shot made by Dennis. Pitch Azul pointing. Pitch Azul pointing. To Fernandez. Fernandez take a three. Miss everything. Pego. KNPP. Snapshot by KNPP. Scout leaving the ball, looking for the clock. Scout fix. Isko another big shot by Isko. Michael Jordan Isko. Dennis leaving the ball. Dennis. Pass to Pego. Pego next shot. And nothing but Scout leaving the ball. Oh, and missed it. White ball. It's white ball. Red, it's white ball. White ball, red. Oh, may dalawang timeout ng both team, ha? You have two timeouts. You can do your timeout. Also, what a shot. Jun got a rebound. To Palo to Suge. To KNPP. To Jaho. Shot. Suge got a rebound. Face. KNPP. Oh, what a shot. By Fortaleza. Really go. Fortaleza. To Solano face. Solano take shot. Oh, what a shot. Good shot by Solano. KNPP. White ball. It's 5-point game. It's a 5-point game. It's blue ball. No, walang foul. Ganun lang, wala. Two shots by KNPP. 2 points. Yapo, defending Ursua. Orendain to Ali to Solano. Solano fakes, takes shot. And makes it. What a play by Solano. Yapo, right. There's a foul. Orendain foul. First three fouls by Orendain. Andy 3 fouls. Orendain 3 fouls. Japok second shot. Another made shot by Japok. Japo, 2 points. At the paint. Andy Dokitan dribbling the ball to Ursua. Ursua, follow. That's by Solano. Solano pace. Solano. Who's one running? Blue. Blue ball. Japo. Japo. Okay, PP. To follow. Follow right. Para dribble by Suge. To Juloy. Kan baby, what a pass by Jun. Andy dribbling the ball. Andy dribbling the ball. What a pass by Andy. Pace. Andy takes a shot and makes it. Japo controls the ball. Blue ball called by the referee. Time out! Wait! It's blue ball. Yeah. Pwede na. Blue ball. KPP. Yes, bring the ball to Japo. Follow to Sugi. Sugi pace. Take a shot. Miss it. Solano. Fortaleza drive. Hey, rebound. Wala hustle. Solano has the ball. Solano takes shot. Miss it. Power play by Palo. Oh! Sayang siya. Suge pasti dun. Uy! Sayang. Adi kita ni Adi. Orendain! Wala siya pa yung Orendain! Orendain, got 2 points. Suge. 2 points. Suge. Nasa blow mamaya pare ha. Magano. Lalak sa sub daw, sa sub. Ursua takes 3. Miss it. Japo, follow! Time out! Wait! Foul pare, foul. Okay, pare. Score. 62-55, 7-point game. Ako sa possession fight. Sabi. Palitan ko na yung goal ko. Mamaya sa kinalang na. Ken PP. Ken PP, wala naman paglagyan. Fortaleza take a 3. Umali! Dennis dribbling the ball. Wala hassle by Gustavo. Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Oh, it's white ball. Wala hassle. Yeah. Okay. Pare, time out ang blue ha. Fernandez to scout Fortaleza, side step. Kuya Isko, alimuro, wala na yung fight mo. Ken PP, talo kay Ken PP. Pins Azul, pass Fortaleza. Fernandez to Pins. Who's ball red? White ball. Time out. Blue. White ball. Scout inbounding. Scout to Fernandez. Fernandez take a 3. Missed the shot. Palo, dribbling the ball. Malo, dribbling the ball. Dennis dribbling the ball. To Pego to Jules slash to Ken. Ken take a shot. Another 2 by Ken. Paglagyan. Pitch to Fernandez. Take a shot. Miss. All air. Nothing but air. Ken PP to Pego take a shot. Finishing touches by Pego. Suabe. Sabi ng komite. Scout. Oh, scout. O nangyari. Palo to Pego. Jules, uy. Pego, walang pass. And a miss by Pego. Layup by Fernandez, 2 points. Ken to Pego. To Ken. To Junoy, to Pego take a shot. Fortaleza takes a 3.